Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR, and here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Thursday, the 7th day of January. Here we go. When a chazan, the guy leading the congregation, finished his quiet Shemona Esrei, you know the chazan says Shemona Esrei twice at Shacharis and Mincha. He says the quiet one with everybody else, then he waits and he says the loud Shemona Esrei. When he steps back from his first and quiet Shemona Esrei, it's best if he steps back, and when he gets back to his 3 steps back, he should stay there. And then, if assuming it's not a very long time, he should stay there until he steps forward again for the 3 steps for the beginning of Shemona Esrei. That's, by the way, the general rule for all of us. Not a lot of people remember to do that. When you step back from anybody, when you step back from your Shemona Esrei, you should stand back there where you step back, and it's best to wait there until the Kedusha, which follows, hopefully a minute or 2 or 3 later, and then you step forward right when it's time for Kedusha. The Gemara says an interesting phrase. They say that someone who steps back from his Shemona Esrei and quickly steps forward, like right away, it's considered very disrespectful. You just step back from the presence of God, and then you go boom, 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 and you step back forward as if like no big deal happened. And it was a big deal. You were just in the presence of God. So when you step back, you should have a feeling of, I don't want to say like whoa, but you should have a feeling of, I was just at a great level, and pause and digest what happened. The expression in the Talmud is that if you step back from your Shemona Esrei, you're silent Amida, and then you step right back forward immediately, it's like a dog returning to its vomit. You know how dogs like vomit and then lick at it, and it's a disgusting thing? If you step back from God and then step right forward like no big deal happened, that's how disgusting it is what you're doing. So, the Chazan steps back and waits there until it's time for him to re-begin his Shemona Esrei a few moments later, and a private person should also try to do that until stepping forward when it's time for the Kedusha. That's the law. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.